Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up ASUS RP-AC55 Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the ASUS extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, unbox the extender box. The ASUS RP-AC55 extender contains dual-band Wi-Fi amplifiers, internal antennas, and a smart processor that boosts your router's signal for wider coverage. It also includes LED signal indicators to help you find the best placement and a WPS system for quick and easy setup. First of all, plug your ASUS RP-AC55 extender into a power socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. On the router, locate the WPS button. It may be on the front or back and labeled WPS, or have a 2 arrows icon. Press the WPS button on the router once. Don't hold it down for many seconds, a single short press is usually correct. Long pressing may trigger a router reset on some models. The router will enter WPS mode for a short window, commonly about 2 minutes. Its WPS LED may blink rapidly, this indicates pairing is open. Now press the WPS button on the RP-AC55 extender for 2 to 3 seconds. The Wi-Fi LED on the extender will start blinking, indicating it is pairing. Give it 30 to 60 seconds. Once the connection is successful, the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz LED on the extender will turn solid. Solid lights means successfully connected to the router. Unplug the extender and move it halfway between the router and weak signal area. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.